Greetings, participants and fellow enthusiasts. As we reflect on the recently concluded Line Follower and Robo Soccer Robot workshop, I'm filled with pride and excitement for what we've accomplished together.
I've always been interested in robotics, but I never really thought that I could build my own robot. So this workshop has been an eye-opener for me. This is great.
Robotics is not just about building machines, it's about unlocking the boundless potential of technology to solve problems and shape the future.
Over the workshop, we embarked on a remarkable journey into the world of robotics, exploring concepts, building robots, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
I love the hands-on approach. It's one thing to learn theory, but actually building and programming a robot is incredibly rewarding.
The workshop was not just about making robots. It was about gaining a deep understanding in robotics principles and the necessary skills in programming, electronics, and problem solving.
Remember, the journey doesn't end here. The skills you acquire in this workshop will serve as a foundation for your future careers in robotics and beyond.
Thank you for your dedication, your passion, and your unwavering commitment to excellence. Until we meet again, keep pushing the boundaries, keep exploring, and keep dreaming big.